The negative power. The negative power is also another interesting rules of indices, and in some books you might find it, they call it the negative exponent. Now, what does it entail? If you have an expression a to the negative n, you take the reciprocal of a to the n, and that becomes a over a raised to n, and that is simply about the negative power. For example, let's take an example of 2 raised to negative 3. This one is simply the reciprocal of 2 to 3. Now, how does this come about? Let's take an example of 2 raised to 2 divided by 2 raised to 5. And according to the quotient rule, like I discussed earlier, this one is the same as, when you remember the rule, this is the same as 2 raised to, you subtract the powers, which is 2 subtract 5, right? Which is the same as 2 raised to negative 3, because 2 subtract 5, you get negative 3. That is according to, of course, integers. Now, let's analyze this further. We know that 2 raised to 2 is the same as 2 multiplied by itself 2 times, and this one is divided by 2 raised to 5, which is 2 by 2 5 times. All right, so by cancelling out the 2's here, the first 2 go with the first 2, that is in the numerator and the denominator. Now, what is left in the numerator here is 1, because 2 here 1, 2 here 1, 2 here 1, 2 here, and 1 times 1 is 1, right? That is on the numerator we have 1. Now, at the denominator we have 1 times 1 times 2 times 2 times 2, and that is 2 by 2 by 2, right? And 2 by 2 by 2 is the same as 2 to 3, and of course we have 1 in the numerator. Now you can see these two answers are the same, or they coincide. So it simply means a raised to, any expression raised to a negative power, you take the reciprocal of that expression to the n, like in this case here.